Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, July the 20th, 2022, the day after the hottest day of the year. We have two puzzles left: the binary and the tectonic. We will do the binary because it's binary time, boys and girls. This will be number 4883. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. And we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Then we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Between the ones comes an O. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. 3 ones we have here in this column. If I place number 4 here or there, then we have 3 O's in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So those 2 boxes should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then, yeah, let me think. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1 O. This should be a 1. Now we have 3 ones in the first column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, I think we need to compare, but we have 1 row, second row, third row. 1 column. We have 1 column. 1001. No, it's not the same. This one. 1. No. Yes, totally different. So 0101 here. Yeah. Well, if you compare this row and that row, 0011 empty box, empty box 11. That means we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Yes. That means double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Come on, come on, come on. This one is tough. 1, 2, 3. Mm-hmm. 1001. Do we have a 1001 here? Yeah. Come on, come on, come on. 011. Oh, look. This column and that column. Look only to the O's. At the O's. Here we have a O. Here we have a O. And the third O. Yeah. So, if I place, wait, no, one conclusion. I thought we had an O. Can I place the 1 here? Yeah, I could. But the 1 could be also there. I'm stuck. 1001. 1. So if I place the O here, there should be a 1. Yeah. Tough one. 011. 1, 2, 3. So we have a 1 here, the O here, the 1. Where is the opening? 3 O's. This row and that row. Look at the O's. Yes. Here no, and there no. This one, if I place the O there, then we have identical rows. So I cannot place the O here. Otherwise, we have identical rows. So this box should be a 1. And between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Well, now we have 2 rows left. And the question is, can I compare again? Oh, not the same. No, this is not the same. Well, this one and that one. 0011110 empty box 1100. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's, double O here, 1 there, 1. Finished in 9 minutes. Wow, this one very hard. You need to think, and we solve it again, but it's a puzzling binary. Yes, you need to puzzle this one. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of the day, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.